to eat intelligently is an art. The key to a healthy diet is to enjoy everything in moderation rather than banning foods you love. With this rule, Ravi, respected principal sister, vice principal sister, hardworking teachers, and all my loving friends. Today, we are the representatives of grade 30 going to conduct a video assembly on a topic eating a balanced diet.
Ravi, would you please come for lunch?
Yes, Mom. Can I know what's for lunch today?
Today I have prepared rice and dal.
Mom, what is this? I want to have puris for lunch.
No, Ravi, you had puris for breakfast this morning and you should not eat the same kind of food throughout the day. To keep us strong and healthy, we should eat food with different nutrients.
What is this, Mom? I don't like all these things. I want to eat puris for lunch and dinner too.
I don't know how to convince you, Ravi.
Mother keeps thinking if anyone could change him. All the nutrients at the rainbow mess. Discussion among the nutrients after having the lunch at the rainbow mess.
Wow, the food provided at the Rainbow Mess was so tasty and yummy.
Yummy paneer.
So tasty and yummy.
Hey, just see. Whichever plate you see, I have occupied the major portion in the diet. You know, I am so great as I am the king of all the nutrients.
Oh, in what way you are great?
I provide lots of energy to all the people to do their physical work.
But I am also great. I am the queen of all nutrients as I help in growth, bodybuilding and repair of damaged tissues. Do you know? People love to eat food containing meat. Do you like it?
Nope. Fatty foods are not healthy.
No, not at all. Do you know something? I help to keep the body warm and also help in absorption of fat-soluble vitamins too.
Hey guys, you know, even though we are micronutrients, we help to keep the bodies healthy. We play a vital role in keeping the body healthy and fit. Do you know that we have a brand called Protective Foods? So I protect people from diseases.
Will you allow me to speak?
Hey, who's that? What's the problem?
I am Rafej.
Hello, excuse me. You have no role over here. Keep quiet. Please go.
No, I have a role too. I help in removing the wastes from people's body. Hey. Have a look at me. Don't neglect me like that. You know how important I am. I help in digestion and regulation of body's temperature.
Stop it. I am only great.
Hey, you stop. In fact, I am great. I am also great too. I'm great too.
What about me? Me too.
I'm great. Hello friends, excuse me. Can you allow me to speak?
Who are you?
Hey, I am a balanced diet. If you all join hands together, nothing but me only. Ha. Why are you all fighting here? No one is great. Everyone has their own importance to keep the body healthy. Don't argue like this. If we keep fighting, how can we convince the poor boy Ravi who is not eating a balanced diet?
Oh, I see. That's right. I'm extremely sorry. Shall we all go to Ravi's house to convince him? He needs support from all of us.
And now at Ravi's house.
a dream last night that the balanced diet with all the nutrients came to our house and explained me how important it is to eat a balanced diet with the right amount of nutrients.
Really? It's so surprising.
Knock at the door. Tuck, tuck, tuck.
Ravi, just see who's at the door.
Yes, Mom.
Ravi opens the door. Ravi is shocked to see when the balanced diet with all the nutrients enters his house.
I am a balanced diet. Here I have my friends. We are here to convince you to know the importance of all the nutrients in your daily life.
Friends, I had you all in my dream last night. I understood the importance of eating balanced diet. Thank you for your valuable suggestions.
Thank you all for changing my son's food habits.
Bye, Ravi. Have a nice day.
Bye bye.
Before we wind up, let's remember the words of importance. Let food be Thai medicine and medicine be Thai food. Yes, let's all take a taste today and we'll eat a balanced diet and take care of our health. Thank you for being such a wonderful audience. Stay healthy and stay happy.
दीदी मेरा अच्छा खाना कौन ले गया? गंदा बासी जंक फूड उसको क्यों छोड़ गया? दीदी मेरा अच्छा खाना कौन ले गया? गंदा बासी जंक फूड उसको क्यों छोड़ गया? उनको रहना था हेल्दी और करने थे कुछ अच्छे काम। जो खाते गंदा खाना तो कैसे करते अच्छे काम? इसलिए जो था अच्छा खाना उसको ले गए, गंदा बासी जंक फूड उसको वो छोड़ गए। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। खुला बासी गंदा खाना
जंक फूड को भी मत तुम खाना।
भूख लगे तभी ही खाना और हेल्दी हो वही तुम खाना।
पेट फुलाकर भी मत खाओ, तुम थोड़ा सा कम ही खाओ।
मोबाइल पर बातें करते नहीं, ध्यान से खूब चबाकर खाओ।
खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना।
खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। जो ना खाया हेल्दी खाना तो मिलती दवाई खाना।
कमजोरी में क्या कर पाते, रह जाते सबसे पीछे।
नहीं मिलता सबको खाना, खाने को तुम दान करो।
जितना चाहिए उतना ही लो, इसको मत बर्बाद करो।
खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। जीवन में सफल बनना है, ऊंचाई को छूना है।
लोगों में जो प्यार पाना है तो बस इतना ही याद रखना है।
दीदी मेरा अच्छा खाना देखो आ गया, ऊंचाइयों को छूने में तैयार हो गया। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। जिनको रहना है हेल्दी और करने हैं कुछ अच्छे काम, खाते हैं हेल्दी खाना और करते हैं वो अच्छे काम। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना। खाना खाना अच्छा खाना जो भी तुम खाना, अच्छा खाना हेल्दी खाना वही तुम खाना।
थोड़ा खाया पचाया, ज्यादा खाया पछताया।